Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair EONO earphones with your MacBook. First of all, you have to be sure that our device is turned off, and next we have to click and hold this button until this indicator above the volume up button starts blinking blue and red. So let's do this right now. Click and hold this middle button and take a look for this indicator right here. As you can see right now, it is blinking. I'm not sure if you can see that, so we can release that button. It's hard visible actually, maybe right now we can find it right here. Put it close to your MacBook. And then we have to go to the settings. And go for the Bluetooth. Turn it on. Click on the EONO connect button. And then finally go for the sound settings and simply be sure that input and the output device is selected for our earphones. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.